Change is a never-ending process. Every day things change. To sit still and not be doing things that are going to make us better or make us stronger or make us grow, then we're dying. We say we're changing an industry. What I mean by that is we're certainly changing the perception of an industry.
The perception that was probably on the street for many years is that it's a dirty business.
The changing of that has to do with the value of order. And Carolina Container has a very strong belief in the value of order.
The value of order benefits the customer from the standpoint of it reduces their costs because it makes us more efficient. The more efficient we are, the more competitive we can be in the marketplace.
It keeps the plants clean and neat. It allows us to have structure and organization that keeps jobs moving freely through the facility without mistakes, errors, or complications.
From the standpoint of leading the industry, there are a lot of good companies in our industry, but we're on the forefront of most new technology that comes out.
Technology is paramount in order for a company to move forward and for a company to survive. You have to constantly be thinking of ways to improve processes within your corporation, to improve processes for your customers. Technology does that in a lot of different ways, through communication, through web portals, through e-commerce. More and more the customer has data readily at their fingertips, as well as arming our salesmen with PDAs, with iPads that gives them the ability to walk into a customer site and allow a customer to place an order with us or take an inventory right on a customer site through the use of his PDA.
We have real-time plant monitoring in our facilities, which gives us real-time data on the production, helps us drive efficiencies for our customers, for our plants. We have a wireless inventory system that helps us control our quality. It also helps us to guarantee that what we're loading on trucks, we've tracked it all the way through.
We do not shy away from looking at any opportunity to be innovative. But I think what sets us apart is that we are willing to look at every opportunity as it connects to our core business. We've done an extraordinary job in developing the digital side of our business to allow us to demonstrate to a customer the capability we would have in a finished goods product without going through that exercise of long-term lead times and tooling and the like.
Years ago, to get a sample in the corrugated industry, you literally had to get a sample hand cut on a table, and if you had any graphics or printing on it, it had to be applied by hand. Today at Carolina Container, you can come in and get one sample of anything digitally printed to where it's just like the product that your customer will be selling on their shelves. And we can literally do that in hours for a customer.
We can do 1, we can do 25, we can do 50, whatever the customer wants. But we can take that prototype and they can show it to their customers. And then from there, then we're off to our graphics plant to produce those. Anything that's in our industry that helps us serve our customer better and makes us a better company, we want to be a part of.
ISO is simply stating you're doing what you say you're going to do. You're doing your quality checks, you're recording those quality checks, and you're ensuring the customer product is what they order.
We're ISO certified, we're AIB certified, and we have the SFI certification now.
We don't do it just to say we are certified, we do it to make us better continuously.
It's not a requirement that Carolina Container gets all these certifications, but with them, it shows the direction of our company and the commitment we're willing to take.
I am very proud of our ISO certification and the team and the accomplishments that we've made. It's been a lot of hard work and dedication, and we would do whatever it takes to please our customer.
There's a lot of technology out there, and anybody can buy it. But the key to it is your people.
Our connected value team approach allows our customers to basically talk to one person. Dealing with one person, they're allowed to get better opportunity, better as far as price, and certainly quicker turnaround times.
They're able to come to us through their salesman or through their customer service rep and basically get all their needs met.
We have several design centers. We have several corrugated facilities. We have contract packaging fulfillment. We have the clamshell facilities. We can send you bubble wrap and stretch film. If the customer needs it, we can save them cost by adding packaging supplies to that truck and get it to them at a timely manner.
The team approach no doubt works, providing that engagement is there.
You have the project manager, the artists that are grouped with that project manager, the structural designers that are grouped with that project manager, and they work directly for that customer.
That direct link between the customer and the customer service representative is very, very important.
From a team approach, we get more ideas and cost-saving values that could help benefit the customer.
And it creates a team atmosphere between us and the customer. So it's just not us as a team, the customer themselves are involved in the team, and everybody's playing on the same side.
Being vertically integrated from a concept of packaging design all the way up to the top, where we manage the client's product logistically out the back door of our plants, allows that customer a wide variety of choices.
From paper forward, we're fully integrated. So we can take paper that we purchase and go from brown box to a high-end lithographics box, all the way to fulfilling and contract packaging for a customer.
The tooling's all made here, the plates are all made here, the pack out, the fulfillment is printed here.
Having everything internally within the company, it's full circle packaging.
I think in the past in the corrugated industry, everybody was just supplying a box, a brown box.
I think a lot of people look at it and say a box is a box, but there's a lot that goes into that and meeting your customers' needs.
Change, in my view, is a never-ending journey. It has to be part of our culture.
We accept change as a new opportunity for Carolina Container.
We've got to continue to change. We've got to welcome change. We've got to embrace change.
Change is a very important word in our organization, and we're always striving to make things better inside of our organization.